For this recipe, you'll need 5 items: a sheet pan, a thick with 4 C's steak, an instant read thermometer, salt, and a pan that's not non-stick. I used a New York strip, but you can use any steak that you want. I recommend that it's a fairly thick cut steak and preferably choice or better. Give the steak an inaugural slap and withdraw it from its styrofoam cocoon. It's ready to bloom into something special. Take your sheet pan and place your steak on it. And now we want to salt the entire steak. Just make sure that you hit every side, including, and probably most importantly, any fat cap that may be included with your cut. Now, we want to rest the steak in the salt for just a few minutes to pull a little water out and to let the salt penetrate the surface. After it's been rested, pat dry with a paper towel so we don't end up steaming our steak in the oven. Set your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and place your steak in it. Set a timer for 30 minutes, but check it about 25 minutes in. Grab your thermometer and place it into the thickest point of your steak. I personally want a medium rare for this one, so I'm looking to hit 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit so that by the time it's seared, it'll be 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, next up, we need to heat a pan over high heat until just the first wisps of smoke start to show. Add in 1 tablespoon of butter along with 1 tablespoon of some other fat to keep the butter from burning. I use tallow. Start off by searing the fat cap for 30 seconds. Swirl it around the butter to coat it. For the bigger flat sides, sear for 60 seconds each. Continue to swirl around in the butter because the milk solids are what help give the steak color. Once all sides are seared, remove and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Here's a moment of silence for steak slicing. The cook is perfect and there's no sign of a gray ring. Just a very evenly cooked steak that wants you to like and subscribe.